Top 10 Environmental Engineer Interview Questions and Answers. Environmental engineering plays a critical role in addressing global challenges such as climate change, pollution, and resource management. As the demand for skilled environmental engineers grows, so does the need to prepare for interviews that test both technical knowledge and problem-solving abilities. This guide provides answers to 10 common environmental engineer interview questions, along with a detailed 500-word response to a complex scenario. Whether you're a recent graduate or an experienced professional, these insights will help you stand out in your next interview. 1. What are the key responsibilities of an environmental engineer? Environmental engineers are responsible for designing, implementing, and managing solutions to environmental problems. They work on projects related to waste management, water treatment, air quality control, and sustainable development. Their duties include conducting environmental impact assessments, ensuring compliance with regulations, and developing technologies to reduce pollution. Collaboration with scientists, policymakers, and the public is also essential to address environmental challenges effectively. 2. How do you stay updated with environmental regulations and policies? Staying updated with environmental regulations is crucial for ensuring compliance and implementing best practices. I regularly follow government websites, industry publications, and professional organizations such as the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, and the American Academy of Environmental Engineers, AAE. Attending conferences, webinars, and workshops also helps me stay informed about the latest developments in environmental policies and technologies. 3. Can you explain the process of conducting an environmental impact assessment, EIA? An environmental impact assessment, EIA, evaluates the potential environmental effects of a proposed project. The process begins with screening to determine if an EIA is required. Next, scoping identifies key issues and stakeholders. Baseline data collection follows, assessing the current environmental conditions. Impact prediction and evaluation are then conducted to determine the significance of potential effects. Finally, mitigation measures are proposed, and a report is submitted for review and approval. 4. What strategies do you use to manage waste effectively? Effective waste management involves reducing, reusing, and recycling materials. I focus on implementing waste minimization strategies at the source, such as optimizing production processes and using eco-friendly materials. Recycling programs and composting are also essential for diverting waste from landfills. Additionally, I advocate for public education and awareness campaigns to promote responsible waste disposal practices. 5. How do you approach designing a sustainable water treatment system? Designing a sustainable water treatment system involves considering energy efficiency, resource conservation, and environmental impact. I start by assessing the water quality and identifying contaminants. Then, I select appropriate treatment technologies, such as membrane filtration or biological treatment, based on the specific requirements. Incorporating renewable energy sources and optimizing system operations are also key to ensuring sustainability. 6. What are the challenges of managing air quality in urban areas? Managing air quality in urban areas is challenging due to high population density, industrial activities, and vehicular emissions. Key challenges include monitoring pollutant levels, identifying emission sources, and implementing effective control measures. Strategies such as promoting public transportation, enforcing emission standards, and increasing green spaces can help improve air quality. Public awareness and stakeholder engagement are also critical for successful implementation. 7. How do you ensure compliance with environmental regulations in your projects? Ensuring compliance with environmental regulations involves thorough planning and continuous monitoring. I start by familiarizing myself with relevant laws and standards. During project planning, I conduct regular audits and assessments to identify potential compliance issues. Collaboration with regulatory agencies and stakeholders is essential to address concerns and implement corrective actions. Documentation and reporting are also critical for demonstrating compliance. 8. What role does technology play in environmental engineering? Technology plays a vital role in environmental engineering by enabling innovative solutions to complex problems. Advanced tools such as geographic information systems, GIS, remote sensing, and data analytics help in monitoring and analyzing environmental data. Technologies like bioremediation, carbon capture, and renewable energy systems are also transforming the field. Staying updated with technological advancements is essential for delivering effective and sustainable solutions. 9. How do you handle conflicting stakeholder interests in environmental projects? Handling conflicting stakeholder interests requires effective communication and negotiation skills. I start by identifying the concerns and priorities of each stakeholder. Then, I facilitate discussions to find common ground and develop mutually acceptable solutions. Transparency and inclusivity are key to building trust and ensuring that all voices are heard. In some cases, compromise may be necessary to achieve the project's overall objectives. 10. What are the key considerations for designing a renewable energy system? Designing a renewable energy system involves evaluating factors such as resource availability, environmental impact, and economic feasibility. I begin by assessing the site's potential for solar, wind, or other renewable energy sources. System design must consider energy storage, grid integration, and scalability. Environmental impact assessments are also essential to minimize negative effects on ecosystems and communities. Environmental engineering is a dynamic and impactful field that requires a combination of technical expertise, creativity, and a commitment to sustainability. By preparing for common interview questions and understanding how to address complex environmental challenges, you can demonstrate your readiness to contribute to this vital profession. Whether you're designing innovative solutions or collaborating with diverse stakeholders, your work as an environmental engineer can make a lasting difference for the planet and future generations.